Hello, I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to the Sheldon in St. Louis. The Sheldon is an art gallery, a concert hall, and they have a special exhibit going on right now called Golf the Galleries, where you can play miniature golf in the art museum. The courses are all part of the exhibit, and you get to play miniature golf. So we're gonna go and check it out. This little blockhead sculpture here is just sitting outside the Sheldon. It's entitled Steve Wondering If He Could Actually Walk. Just thought that was kind of neat to show real quick before we go inside. There it is, the Sheldon Concert Hall and Art Galleries. There we go, Golf the Galleries. It's open. Golf the Galleries at the Sheldon. This is the 4th year they've had the Golf the Galleries. Changes every year they've done it. So you can golf in the galleries until September 6, 2021. This is the sponsors. Guidelines. Rules of play. This first hole was called Pinball St. Louis. It's a par 4, and as you can see, each of the holes here represents a different little part of St. Louis. An alternate start here. Place the ball in the tube and hit it like a pool cue with the back of your putter. And it doesn't count, a bonus, it doesn't count as a stroke. So I'm going to do that. There's where it landed. Hole 2 is Check Please by the World Chess Hall of Fame here in St. Louis. And hole 2 is set up like a giant chess checkerboard. There's some Coca-Cola inspired chess set here. And over here is another cafe. Dunkin' Donuts looks like chess set. Hole number 3 is called Retro Arcade. As you see, there's some ghosts on the course there, some Donkey Kong barrels. Street Fighter Warriors and Pac-Man. At the mouth of Pac-Man is where the hole was at. Hole 4 is called Heads of WU Shops, which is Washington University. If you look here, there's the first head, it's a face, a video screen. And the hole is actually a container of spilt latex paint. This was a hard one. Took me 6 shots. Hole 5 is called Nest. Got clouds there. Paper mache flowers. Bird cut out. And more there. And the nest. It's pretty cool. You're actually encouraged to take a piece of fabric and add on and tie to the nest. Okay, take one of these. Hole 6 is called Flyover Country. Got all the different scenery. See? There's a plane that's actually flying. It's rotating in a circle, but horse, cow, and tractor. I didn't notice it earlier, but there's a pipe there, which makes it easier. It's like a stream. Goes to the other little lake there. Hole 7 is called What Goes Around. So you try to go through the bag and the jeans and the broken chair. Swap, share, make, repair, reuse. Now this hole here, hole 8, is all about perception. It messes with your perception. Where you look, things look different. Tee-hee-hee. It's the last. It's the 9th and final hole. Silly string. Giant banana peel. A boxing arm. Giant whoopee cushion. Chinese finger trap. And a whipped cream and the pie face. series of shoebox golf courses created by students. Well, that was Golf the Galleries here at the Sheldon in St. Louis, Missouri. I golfed the galleries. I had a lot of fun. It's not bad for $10. That's actually about what you would pay for any miniature golf course just about anywhere. So I enjoyed myself. And if you enjoy miniature golf, if you enjoy art and you're in the St. Louis area, stop on by and go golfing in the galleries. I mean, how often do you get to say you actually got to go miniature golf, play miniature golf in an art gallery? I did. I have. And you too can. But only until, I believe, September 6th, 2021. And then the exhibit will be closed. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Do you enjoy miniature golf? Do you enjoy art galleries? Do you enjoy things in the St. Louis area? If so, let me know. What other places would you like to see me go, or activities would you like to see me do? Please keep it PG rated. And if you've enjoyed this video, or any of the videos on Adventures in TV Land, you can support the channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee. That's Buy Me a Coffee, and making a donation there. You can make a one-time donation as little as $1. Or, for a little bit more, you can be a monthly subscriber, a member, and help support the further and future Adventures in TV Land. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.